Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm creating a stunning wall decor piece using simple waste materials you probably already have at home. This project is perfect for those who love eco-friendly crafts and want to add a unique touch to their walls without spending a lot of money. I began with a square piece of cardboard measuring 16 by 16 inches. Cardboard is one of my favorite base materials. It's sturdy, lightweight, and easy to work with. At the center of the square, I placed a wooden ring. Using a strong adhesive, I secured it firmly to the cardboard. Once it was fixed, I chose a vibrant paint color to bring the background to life. You can go for any color that matches your home decor style, soft pastels for a minimal look, or bold shades for a statement piece. While the paint dried, I worked on the vase element of the decor. For this, I used the upper portion of a plastic bottle. Cutting it neatly, I smoothed the edges and wrapped it with a foam sheet to give it a clean and elegant finish. This not only hides the plastic, but also makes it look like a decorative vase. Once the vase was ready, I filled it with artificial flowers to add beauty and texture. You can also use real flowers if you want a more natural touch. Just remember to replace them regularly. After arranging the flowers, I attached the vase securely to the center of the painted cardboard, making sure it aligned perfectly with the wooden ring. The result is a gorgeous wall decoration that looks like it came from a boutique store, yet it's made entirely from recycled and upcycled materials. In just 2 minutes and 24 seconds of crafting time, I transformed ordinary waste into a stylish home accent. This project is proof that creativity and sustainability go hand in hand. Instead of throwing away cardboard or plastic bottles, you can give them a second life as beautiful home decor. Not only does this help the environment, but it also gives you a sense of pride in creating something unique with your own hands. So, grab your waste materials, get creative, and turn them into something amazing for your home today.